You have probably tried everything: YouTube, dropshipping, e-commerce, maybe even crypto, and still haven't been able to make consistent money. It is not your fault. Nobody taught you how to use AI to actually make money. Right now, there are people your age making consistent money every week, not because they are geniuses, but because they learned how to actually use AI to make money. And that's exactly what the AI Launchpad shows you step by step. I am Shantanu Sharma, the founder of the Legendries. I have built multiple 7-figure brands using AI and helped hundreds of young Indians start earning with it. That is how the AI Launchpad began. And now, there are more than 2,000 people already inside, learning, earning and growing together. Some have already made their first 20,000 and others are scaling fast. And every one of them started exactly where you are right now. You will learn how to find real money-making ideas that actually work in India. Use AI to create products, automate tasks, and scale fast. Build a side income system that keeps growing even when you're busy. Everything you will learn is real, simple, and made to be used, not just watched. And the best part, you're not doing this alone. Inside the Legendaries community, you will find people just like you. Students, job holders, side hustlers, all figuring things out together, growing fast and celebrating their wins along the way. You don't need to chase 10 different side hustles. You just need one clear path and the right people walking it with you. Click below to join the AI Launchpad, get inside, connect with others, and start building your AI income today.